Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my podcast. I am so happy you are here with me today. Thank you for listening. In today's episode, we are going to talk about something very important for everyone: how to build confidence. Confidence means believing in yourself. It means trusting that you can do things, even if they are difficult. When you are confident, you feel strong inside. You are not afraid to try new things. You are not scared to speak or share your ideas. But when you don't have confidence, you feel small, shy, or afraid. You think, I can't do this, or I'm not good enough. Many people want to be more confident, but they don't know how. The good news is, confidence is not something you are born with. You can learn it. You can build it step by step, like building a house. It takes time, but it is possible. So let's talk about simple ways to build confidence in your life. The first step is to believe in yourself. Tell yourself, I can do it. Even if you don't believe it yet, keep saying it. The words you say to yourself are powerful. If you say, I can't, you will feel weak. But if you say, I can try, you will feel strong. So start using positive words. Every morning, look in the mirror and say, I believe in me. The second step is to start small. Confidence grows when you do small things successfully. You don't need to do something big. Maybe you speak one English sentence in class. Maybe you talk to a new person. Maybe you cook a new meal. Every small success makes your confidence a little stronger. Don't wait to be perfect. Just start small and take one step at a time. The third step is to learn from mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes. Mistakes are not bad. They are teachers. When you make a mistake, don't be sad. Don't say, I am stupid. Say, it's okay. I will learn from this. Confident people are not people who never fail. They are people who fail and keep trying. So don't stop when things go wrong. Try again. That's how you grow. Another way to build confidence is to practice. When you do something again and again, you become better at it. For example, if you want to speak English with confidence, practice speaking every day. Even if it's just for 5 minutes, it helps. If you want to play music or do sports, practice often. The more you practice, the more comfortable you feel. Practice makes progress. Next, take care of your body and health. When your body feels good, your mind feels strong too. Eat healthy food, drink water, and get enough sleep. Try to move your body, walk, stretch, or do light exercise. When you feel fresh and strong, it's easier to feel confident. You can also build confidence by standing tall. Your body language is important. When you walk, keep your head up and shoulders straight. Look at people when you talk, smile. These small actions make you look confident, even if you don't feel it yet. And when you look confident, your brain starts to believe it. Another thing that helps is to remember your achievements. Sometimes we forget the good things we have done. We only think about our failures. Take a few minutes and remember your past successes. Maybe you passed an exam, finished a project, helped a friend, or learned something new. Those things are proof that you can do good things. Write them down. When you feel weak, read your list and remember how far you have come. Also, stop comparing yourself to others. When you look at other people and think, they are better than me, your confidence goes down. But everyone is different. Everyone has their own story. You have your own talents, your own speed, and your own path. Focus on yourself. The only person you should try to be better than is the person you were yesterday. Another small but important habit is to set goals. Goals give you direction. Start with small goals. For example, I will speak English with my friend for 3 minutes today. When you reach your goal, you feel proud. That pride builds confidence. After that, you can make bigger goals. Each success adds one more brick to your confidence. It's also important to spend time with positive people. When you are with people who believe in you, you feel stronger. But if you are with people who always criticize or laugh at you, you feel small. Choose friends who support you, who say you can do it. Their words can help you grow. Another great way to build confidence is to help others. When you help someone, you see that you can make a difference. It makes you feel useful and proud. You can help in small ways. Explain something to a classmate, listen to a friend, or give a hand to someone in need. Helping others builds your heart and your confidence. Helping others builds your heart and your confidence. Also, try new things. Confidence grows when you step outside your comfort zone. That means doing something a little scary or new. It could be joining a new group, learning a skill, or trying a new food. At first, you may feel nervous, but when you finish, you will think, wow, I did it. That feeling makes you stronger. Sometimes people lose confidence because they listen to negative voices from others or from their own minds. But remember, you do not need to be perfect. Nobody is perfect. You are good enough the way you are. You can always improve, but you are already valuable. When you feel nervous, take a deep breath. Breathing helps you calm down. When you feel nervous, take a deep breath. Breathing helps you calm down. Tell yourself it's okay to be nervous. Everyone feels that way sometimes. Even famous people and teachers feel nervous, but they still do their best. Confidence is not about never feeling afraid. It's about doing things even when you are afraid. If you fail, don't stop. Try again. Every time you try, you become braver. Confidence grows slowly like a tree. You plant the seed, take care of it, and one day it becomes strong. You can't see it growing every day, but it is growing. Another tip, celebrate your progress. When you do something good, say well done to yourself. You don't have to wait for someone else to tell you that you did great. You can celebrate yourself. You can even reward yourself. Watch a movie, eat your favorite food, or take a nice walk. You deserve it. You can also keep a confidence journal. Write down every time you do something that makes you proud. It can be small, like talking to someone new, finishing your homework, or learning a new word. When you read your journal, you will see how much you have grown. If you ever feel low, remember that everyone feels that way sometimes. Even people who look confident also have doubts. They just don't show it. You are not alone. Be patient with yourself. Confidence takes time. Here's a small exercise. Every night, before you sleep, think of one thing you did well that day. Maybe you smiled at someone, finished your task, or learned something new. Say to yourself, I did something good today. This small thought will help you sleep with peace and wake up with hope. Confidence is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. If you stop using it, it becomes weak. So keep practicing. Keep speaking, keep trying, and keep believing in yourself. Sometimes life gives us challenges. They are not there to stop you. They are there to help you grow. Each challenge is a chance to become more confident. So don't run away from problems. face them with courage. Remember, confidence is not about being better than others. It's about being the best version of yourself. It's about saying, I am trying, I am learning, and I am growing. You are strong. You are capable. You can do amazing things if you believe in yourself. So stand tall, smile, and take one small step today. Maybe it's speaking English to a friend, or sharing your opinion in class, or doing something new. Whatever it is, do it with courage. Thank you so much for listening to this episode. I hope these ideas help you feel a little stronger and a little more confident. Remember, confidence starts with you. You don't have to wait for someone to give it to you. You can build it yourself.